Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today, guys. All right, I am back, guys, on behalf of this program. As you've seen, if you've been following me, I've been promoting it highly because people are resonating with it. I mean, you know, it's in demand. It is what it is. So I'm definitely excited about the program, but if you're here, guys, you landed here because you're looking and you're searching for a way to make money online, and that's awesome. You landed on my page because I am an internet marketer and an affiliate marketer, okay? And I show you different home-based business opportunities in which you can make money online. I try to keep it simple with the programs, and I like things that are newbie friendly. Okay, so copy paste ads is very newbie friendly. Okay, it's only $149 to get started, and you're going to make $100 instant commissions via PayPal or Cash App or Stripe. Okay, whichever way you decide you want to receive your payments, you would set up your profile to receive payments that way. Okay, very simple program. Okay, I'm going to flip over and kind of show you. Well, actually, no, I'm on the page. I'm sorry. We've got a new page. Okay, it's been updated with testimonies. Okay, we had the page without the testimonies in it was converting very well. So just imagine what it's going to do now with these testimonies. Okay, so I want to show you that real quick. Okay, this is page number 3. Okay, in your back office, look at the top. It's going to say page 3. Okay, so when you log in, go check out page 3. Now, let me show you something here. They've went ahead. They've added the $149 right here. I like the red, color here. It kind of pops out at you. And down here below, it basically tells you what's included. So there's no question about, well, what is this? What am I going to get? Everything is right here. Okay. And there's an FAQ section as well. Now, I was just in the Facebook group and they mentioned, this is pretty cool. I'm excited about that. On this page, okay, it's going to be an option. Okay. I believe they're going to make it a service, if I read that correctly. But this page is going to have a chat box down here in the corner. They're going to add that feature, a chat, C-H-A-T, okay? Which is powerful, guys, because this is your landing page. So when someone lands on this page and they're checking everything out, imagine a little pop-up box comes up, a chat box, and say, hey, may I help you with something? Do you have any questions? And your prospect is on here. They're new to this, so they're looking around and they're able to, at that point, type their questions in and communicate with someone live. Is that pretty cool or not? You see that a lot with, maybe some of your utility bills or things like that. When you go online, some of the major companies, they do that. When you go online, they have this chat box. And so we're going to have that as well with copy and paste ads. So that's pretty cool. So guess what that means? It's going to increase your sales, okay? Because people are right at that moment able to get their questions answered. And that could be the determining factor of them going ahead and pulling the trigger, okay, down here and hitting that start button and get started right now. Because they could have looked at everything and then said, well, you know what? I have one question. This looks great, but I have a question. I don't have anybody to ask at this moment. Okay? And then they see that pop-up box. It's not here yet. I'm just letting you know it's going to be here. That box pops up down here, and then they can get their questions answered, and that could be the determining factor on them going ahead and getting started with you that day. Right at that moment, they're on this page without them ever leaving this page. Okay? So I think that is powerful, and it's going to close more sales, as well as this testimony page. Now I'm going to show you something real quick here. I want to shout out to John for including me in the testimonial page here. I just got a snippet of it the other day, and I'm like, oh, I'm in there. So check this out, guys. Let's see, where are we here? I'm in here somewhere. Alright, let me show you. There we go. Hold on. Let me see if I can get it to back up. Right after.
And posting ads.
Hold on. I want to show you something. Hang on.
And every morning I wake up, I have $100 payments in my PayPal account.
Okay, here we go. Okay, I think I found it. Right after her.
That's a few minutes a day, and every morning I wake up, I have $100 payments in my PayPal account.
This morning, 9:35 a.m., as you can see right here, October 29th, another sale came in, $100, okay? So this is working, guys.
Me personally, I have made
And
well
Sam.
over $2,300, you guys,
Yay.
with this system alone in a short period of time.
My best days so far is $600 just by doing what it says and posting ads.
Everybody making money in this program, guys. Look at all the names of the people. This is pretty hot. Here I am. Yay. Okay, so this is an awesome system, guys. I am super excited about it. I just want you guys to see the new page, the new testimony page. This is going to help close more sales, not to mention when they actually activate that chat box, that's going to increase your sales as well. So you go over to your back office. I'm going to show you. Okay, so your landing page would be right here, okay? This is the page, and it's page number 3 with the testimonies on it. And pretty much page 8 as the capture page, and page 4, I know for sure, those are the ones that I'm using in some instances. It takes you right to that page that we were just on, okay? So let me show you also some results that I received today, okay? Hang on one second. Let me get over to my email. One moment. Okay, guys, at 12:04 a.m. while I was sleeping, $100 came in. Okay, then let me show you the other one. Hang on. Okay. All right. As you can see, December 6th, that's today. At 3:40 in the morning, again, while I was sleeping, another 100 came in. So $200 came in for copy and paste ad system while I was asleep. Okay. Again, this is my results. Okay. So I'm not, this is an income disclaimer. I'm not saying you're going to make exactly $200 a day or any of that. I'm showing you the results that this program works. And you get paid because you're paid directly. It's member to member. So when someone purchases copy and paste ads from you, they pay you directly. Okay. So being an affiliate marketer, guys, that's what I love about being an affiliate marketer. I'm getting 100% commission. Okay. Member to member. And the sky's the limit on what you can make per day in this industry. Once you learn the skill, doesn't matter what program you sign up with. Once you learn the skill, you can make commissions in any business, okay? So those are some results I received. But a grand total today was $753. I showed you $200. I made a $500 commissions. I'll show you that as well. So today for me was a grand total of $753. That's not every day. It varies, okay? But I do work full-time from home, so I do make money in the business. A lot of times you don't see me just posting money. That's not who I am. I like to show you my results of things that's working and proof that it works, okay? But other than that, I want to give you value and show you how to make the business work. Okay, so that's what I'm about. You're not going to always see me flashing money. Okay, but I want to just show you what's possible in this industry with affiliate marketing and making money online. Again, those are my results. You may make more. I don't know. It depends on your efforts. Okay, you have to actually do the work. Okay, because this money was made prior to me getting up this morning. The 200 was made. The 500 was made when I was at the store, and the other money as well. I wasn't even home on my computer when the other money came in. So the sky's the limit with this. But copy paste ads is awesome. I have 100 additional ads that I can share with you when you join me. I also have some other places that I've discovered that I would like to share with you. Okay, so that you can use some of these methods that I'm using to get you some sales in copy and paste ads. Okay, and I like to connect with people. Okay, so you can call me up, but go to the funnel first, check it out, see how the sales page is set up. If you like what you see and you have some questions, feel free to reach out to me. I love talking to people. I am a people person. I don't hide behind my computer, okay? So if you contact me and I don't answer you right then, believe I will get back with you within the hour or so, okay? I like to return calls. So definitely join me in copy paste ads. Not to mention, I will place your first ad for you, okay? So that's, I'm going to stand behind that. So when joining me, you get contact, one-on-one. I give you ideas, tips, tricks, ways to make this work for you. Just being accessible, that makes a difference, okay? Because when I came online a long time ago, initially when I was working a job, I never could reach anybody. So I was buying different things, wasted a lot of time. So we want to cut that for you, not have we're going to shortcut that, okay? We're going to make it easier for you and just give you the steps you need to make this work without jumping through all the hoops, okay? And wasting a lot of time. So definitely get started with me. But let me show you the other 500 so you can see the total was $753 today. Hang on for me one sec. Okay, December 6th, 2:04 in the afternoon, a $500 PayPal payment came in. Okay, so that's $700, and then we have, let me show you that. Okay, right here, we're still on December 6th. Okay. $33 payment came in through Stripe. $20 payment came in through Stripe. So that's $753. Okay. And you see right here, I've got 14. This is not even run. I didn't run traffic yet. I have a campaign that's getting ready to run. 14 opt-ins came in. Okay. For copy paste ads. Okay. So this program works. If you work the program, we're going to give you the blueprint. I'm going to work with you. I'm going to give you the resources, but you have to do the work. That's what it's all about, guys. Exposure, getting your links out here, getting your texting promo code out here. Just make sure you use that as well. Okay, that's in your back office. Whatever your username is, and they give you a phone number. You can promote your business that way with the auto text reply as well. So that's to my channel. If you haven't done that yet, subscribe to my channel and go ahead and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? Like the video. I look forward to working with you, okay? So until next time, guys, I'll see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.